How to create a postcard in Canva. Hello, welcome to the video of Rato ADCC. In this video we are going to learn how to create a postcard using a grid in Canva. With our login to canva.com already done. We will use elements from the basic version. We click on Create a Design. We will write on search the type of graphic, in this case postcard. We select postcard. It will appear the size of the postcard in millimeters. 148 mm by 105 mm. At the beginning we can give the name of our project. Click on File. We click on pencil icon to change the name. Here we can write new name and in the end we press Enter on the keyboard. Our new name of the project we can also see and change in the middle of taskbar. We start to create a postcard using a grid. A grid is a graphic model of how the different elements will be placed in the postcard. We click on Elements on the left taskbar. We scroll down and looking for grids, we click on See All on the same line of grids. We click on the grid that we want. In this case, we will use the grid with the 3 columns. We are looking for the pictures to our postcard in Samples on Canva. We click on Photos and choose the one we want to use in our postcard. To find the better one, we can use Search. We enter keywords in search box of photos to find the best one, for example, flowers. Choose this one without Pro icon. All elements that have this icon have to be paid. We drag and drop the picture on one of the columns. We can crop the image. We click on Just Added Picture one time and find Crop on taskbar. We can also use double click by mouse for that. We set the cursor on the photo area and click Crop on taskbar. We drag and drop the picture on preferred position when we find a good match to window. Then click on button Done. We can also choose the picture from our Upload Images to Canva. We click Uploads on the left taskbar. We choose this one which we want to use. More about how to upload new image into Canva, click here. We drag and drop the picture on the second column. We use double click by mouse on Just Edited Picture to find a good match to window, then click on button Done. We click on the last column to fill it with color. We click on the color box in the upper left corner to find our color. We choose our preferred color and click on it. We click on Text on the left taskbar to write text on our postcard. We choose font which we want to use and click on the box with font. Text box has been added. We write text, for example, greetings from Lisbon. If something is going wrong, you can undo the changes. We can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C or use the button on taskbar. We drag and drop using the icon with arrows to move text in the best place on postcard. We click on text to edit it. You can choose the type of font using the box with fonts on the taskbar. We choose preferred font. We change font size on button plus or minus. We change font color on text color in the next button on the right. We click on Effects to add additional effects to the text. We choose the one of style and click on it, for example, shadow. On the end, we can make some adjustments to the text like before. We save postcard on computer, click on File and then on Download. Then in this case we choose the file type PNG and we click on button Download. We saved postcard on our computer. Now we can print it and send to our friends. I hope you liked this video. For more videos about Canva and other programs, check our channel. Thanks for watching.